Kuya's birthday today, okay? Kuya's birthday today. We have a surprise cake, okay? Yeah, we have birthday cake, okay? Ginawa ko, nagpaano na ako ng kandila. Ayan. Para hindi ba ingay. Kasi alam niya yung ng lighter. So ayan, magre-ready na ng cake. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kuya. Happy birthday to you. You want 1, 2, we have 3, 4. Happy birthday. The wish first, wish. Close your eyes. Close your eyes and yay! Yay! I love you. Okay, happy birthday. You like it? You wanna blow too? Happy birthday, love.
Thank you, Mom.
You like it, love?
Thank you, Mom. Mommy, I want to eat the cake.
I love you.
Love you. I want to eat the cake first.
Yeah, sure. Hey, happy birthday, Kuya Drake.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome, love. Thank you so much, love, sa araw-araw na pagpaparamdam mo sa amin kung gaano mo kami kamahal. Lalo na't nakikita ko kung gaano mo kamahal ang mga kapatid mo. At nakikita ko din ang pagiging responsible mo sa mga kapatid mo. Lagi mo nga sinasabi you're a big boy na, but you're still my baby pa rin, anak. Wish ko lang na lumaki ka na may takot sa Diyos at may pagmamahal sa kapwa. Mahal na mahal kita, anak. Enjoy your day. I love you so much.